Hi, this quick tutorial will show you how to determine if your PC processor supports SLAT or not. SLAT means second level address translation. Okay, so go to Start, type Turn Windows feature on or off. Simply go there. Scroll down and there will be Hyper-V. Extend it by clicking plus. And if your Hyper-V platform is active, then your processor supports this. Okay, my PC supports this option, this SLAT. But if this doesn't support, then this will look like this. The writings you can see is in gray color. Okay, so this is the way of checking your processor. I hope this helps you to learn about processor performance about SLAT. Please subscribe to Joseph IT and inspire us. Goodbye.